Hey guys, good evening. So today onwards, I will start the tools. Okay. So first tool is about ticketing tool. Once this one is completed, today I will complete within maybe 30 to 40 minutes max. Tomorrow, either I will go with EDR or else firewall. Okay. So as I promised, before January 10th or 12th, I can complete all the syllabus. Is that be fine? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can practice this one also. Today topic is agenda for today topic is service now ticketing tool. So whenever any security incident or alert will come, first and foremost, what we have to do, we have to raise a ticket or we have to create a ticket in the ticketing tool. So in our market, there are so many ticketing tools are there. Example, ServiceNow or Jira or BST or Remedy or ITSM. There are so many. Out of all these, very, very popular tool, especially from the corporate IT point of view, number one in the market is ServiceNow. Okay. So that is the agenda for today. Why we have to create a ticket in the ticketing tool? Because tracking of the incident, what is the status of the incident, whether it is a new or work in progress or on hold or pending, otherwise whether it is a cancelled. Okay, that is one of the reason. Second one, auditing purpose. Whenever any auditor will come, then he will verify what is the status of the incident is about. So let's start now. I'm opening our regular sheet. So I will create. Oh, this is not updated one. Okay, so here it's updated that one also. Okay, 22nd batch or 22nd, right? Okay, fine. So I'm creating one of the new tab. That new tab name is called ticketing tool. So ticketing tool. So why we need ticketing tool? First of all, what is the importance of the ticketing tool? Ticketing tool is used for first one, tracking of the tickets or status of the tickets. So there are different types of status will be there. This is also enter the question, guys. New, WIP or in progress, work in progress. WIP means, okay, I'll write full form. Work in progress or in progress, on hold or pending. Okay, next one is resolved. Next one is closed. Okay, next one is cancelled. So these are all the different types of status for every ticketing tool. So second one is for auditing purpose. Whenever any auditor will come, what are business compliances we are following? For those complaints side also, our respective auditing team, they will ask, can you show your tickets what you raised in the ticketing tool? In that particular scenario, we have to show all the tickets what are we raised. So for these are the two reasons we can use ticketing tool. One is tracking or status of the tickets. Second one is for auditing purpose. Okay. So now who are all vendors are available in the, this ticketing tool is also called a part of ITSM. Okay. So meaning here, information technology, service management. Information sector, service management. So under that one, ticketing tool will fall under basically. Okay, so service management meaning here whatever services we are providing to verify the status of the respective service. So that is called ITSM basically. Okay. So there are different types of tools are available in the market. Those tools are tools, example tools. As I said, ServiceNow. ServiceNow is also called as Snow. In short, ServiceNow. In short, we can also call it as a Snow. Second one is a Jira. So under Jira, we have couple of other modules also. Jira is for ticketing tool. And Jira has a other modules also. Confluence page. And also Archer. All these will fall under Jira. Okay, recently this Confluence page, Archer and Jira also got compromised. Whoever is using Jira, Confluence page and Archer, those customers are got compromised. There are a lot of data breach it's happened. I think it's a more than, I think from past, maybe approximate 2 to 3 weeks back. Jira and Confluence page and Archer is got compromised. One of the zero-day attack is there in the news. That is belongs to outdated library packages using by Jira company. Jira company also. ServiceNow also company by the way. Next one is BST. Next one is Remedy. So these are all the there are so many. These are all the very popular tools. Right now it is available in the market. Now whatever I'm going to teach, it's a ServiceNow. Why? Because most of the cases Jira will be used by developers. It's expensive also. ServiceNow will be used by corporate IT. When you say corporate IT, developers meaning here all the development teams, application development team, product development team, mobile development team, all those teams will fall under development. And corporate IT, it's a part of support related roles. So otherwise, instead of developers, I'll put engineering. That's better. Engineering teams. Engineering teams will use Jira most of the cases. Corporate IT will be used by respect to ServiceNow. Okay. Under the engineering teams, we have testers, developers, programmers, DevOps. All these will fall under engineering teams. Under this one, we have NOC, SOC, storage, backup, Windows support, Linux or Unix. Okay, there are so many. Network admin. So that is the difference between corporate IT versus, okay, so our engineering teams. So these are all the tools are available. In the today class, what I said as a ServiceNow ticketing tool. I am also using demo tool only.
Sir, one more tool, ADO, Azure DevOps team.
Azure DevOps per DevOps side, yeah.
Okay.
That is DevOps side, that's correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Coming back to here, now how to create your own tool here. So I will give the procedure now. It will take some time. Go to Google and type here ServiceNow developer tool. Okay. So how to make your own tool basically, that's what I mean. How to make your own demo tool for practice purpose. If you want to practice and if you want to create a ticket, how to make that one, just go to Google and type ServiceNow developer tools. Once you are clicking on this one, don't click on this one directly. Click on here, ServiceNow developers home. Otherwise, I'll paste this one in our chat, WhatsApp chat. Can you see ServiceNow developers tool? Click on this one now. Once you are clicking on this one, it will ask sign up. Okay, so already I signed up. That's what is showing automatically my name here. You can, okay, so last Friday, same issue I faced. That is the reason I did not take the class. So this particular, whatever I want to build up the respective instance, because it's a cloud-based tool. You can see content is available Vancouver. It's a part of Germany. And next one is Utah. Next one is Tokyo. Next one is San Diego. So these are all the cities. These service now cloud instances, they are developed, or their cloud instances are existing. You can select any one of the respective cloud instances. First, what you have to do, you have to do the sign up. So let me go to and verify that one also. Maybe I will open one more Chrome. So I will open ad. Let me try. So I created a test here. Now, once again, I'm typing here, ServiceNow developers tool. And I'm going here, ServiceNow developer home. So now you don't have sign in, already existing account, you don't have it. Can you see my screen by the way?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you can see sign in button, click on sign in button, right hand side, top corner. Once you are clicking on this one, it will ask your sign in details. You don't have the respective details. Now what you have to do, get a ServiceNow ID. Can you see here? Get a ServiceNow ID. Because if you have the existing ID, you can go and you can directly do it because you are doing the registration or sign up because you don't have existing account. So get a ServiceNow ID, click on this one. Now enter your details, first name, last name, email, country you belongs to, password, and confirm password, and sign up. Once you're clicking on all these things, now automatically your one of the account will be created. That one of the URL link, it will come to whatever email address you are giving here, and you have to do the activation. Once you are doing the activation link up, clicking on the email, now you have to come back to here ServiceNow ticketing tool, and now previous screen, whatever screen is there, you have to enter the respective your email address and whatever password you created just now. You have to click on that one and click on next button and log in the button. Clear now how to create an account? It's similar to like a Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, or similar to other applications. Clear, right?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah. After clicking on that one, now same page, it will come to you, same thing. So let's go. First, you can see let's go. Click on let's go. After that, start building, it will come. Click on start building. It will take some time, approximate, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete all the, because I have selected Germany, it's a Vancouver part from the cloud instance side. If you want, you can select Tokyo or Utah or San Diego also. Now, this is the page will come once you are completing everything, because I'm already existing account is the available. So that's why it took less time to me. You are a new user, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to create an instance for you. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
After that, click on all here, and then you can click on, you have to create an incident. Normally, when we have to create an incident, whenever any alerts will come to either SIM tool, okay, you are a part of cybersecurity SOC operations. For example, you are selected for vulnerability management vacancy, then you have to select for vulnerability management vacancy. Okay, vulnerability patch updates ticket you have to create and assign to Windows or Linux team. Maybe you are selected for EDR vacancy, antivirus or EDR vacancy. Then you have to create a alerts notifications for the EDR side. You are selected for firewall vacancy or proxy or NADS and APS vacancy or phishing email related vacancies. Same process. So now you have to create a ticket in the ticketing tool. So every organization, it will maintain the service now or Jira, whatever it may be. Okay. After that, they will give username and password to you. You have to log into this username and password. Okay. So every company, they have to pay approximate $50 to create one of the ServiceNow account. Okay. So now after that, we have to click on create incident. Create. Okay. So once you're clicking on the filter button, create new will come. Click on create new. You can see under incident. See, there are so many new will come. Which one we have to select? Because we are creating incident alert notification, and that will be their part of under incident. We have problem statement also we discussed. By the by, how many process we discussed part of ITAL? Under ITL, how many process we discussed? 4 process. Incident lifecycle management process, change management process, problem statement, solution statement. These 4 we discussed already. Did you remember? Did you remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now whatever incident or alert is coming, we are creating incident. So that is the reason we have to click and create a new under incident tab. So click on create new. Then new page will appear. Automatically ticket number is generated. You can make this ticket number also either in the notepad or maybe in the Excel sheet, wherever you like. So example, maybe I am taking, okay. So I'm taking this incident ticket number, and now we have to fill all these. Whatever incident or alert is received, okay, whatever incident or alert is received in our EDR, if I are selected for EDR vacancy, if I select for vulnerability management related, if it's a firewall related alert, if it's SOC. See guys, please remember, here I am discussing about multiple vacancies, not for SOC only. Are you able to understand or not? Anyway,
Yes, sir.
once anyway, if we are going to Sophos EDR, okay, otherwise I will do one thing. So let's start firewall directly. I will go to firewall related alert. Is there any alert is existing? So now I'm logging to firewall. Now I have to work on this firewall. Now I will not teach in-depth analysis of the firewall vacancy related alert notification, but how to get the alert notification and how to write a ticket. So always notifications will come through email, and also notifications will come through our dashboard directly. I'm clicking on dashboard here, and I will go to security. Where is security? There is no security tab here. Anywhere threats.
Last one have the security and fabric tab, sir.
No, that is different. You can see here, top threats I selected here. Let's see. There is no attacks here. I will select past 7 days. There are no threats here. Security and fabric is belongs to different one. That is for the connector side. That is different. If there any attack is there, that will be easy for us to understanding purpose. Let's see. So we have to go to either security tab or threats tab. In the threats tab, there are no attacks. I'm clicking on the status tab. One attack will be there. It's good. Let's see. No. Okay. I will do one thing, no problem here, but you got it right. So here you can see top threads here, threads tab. Yeah. Yeah. So top threads here, example, this consider you are a dashboard. This is the dashboard. And here one of the alert is existing. Example, consider, okay. That alert name is malware category of the attack. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Example, one of the alert is received in the dashboard of the firewall. Now we are a part of which vacancy, which role you are working for? Firewall, dedicated to firewall vacancy. If it is SOC, same thing. SOC tool you have to open. You are selected for EDR vacancy. Now EDR related alert, EDR dashboard you have to open. If you are a part of vulnerability management, whatever tool, okay. Whatever vacancy you are selecting, don't get confusion here. I'm taking example is firewall. This is applicable to SOC as well. So now, what did I say attack name? Malware category of the attack. So one of the alert is reset, malware attack. Under the malware attack, this is main category. Example. Subcategory is maybe virus or worm or ransomware. Maybe take ransomware attack. So this alert notification is received in the firewall. Here it is itself. Now I'm creating a ticket. First thing is, normally incidents or alerts will receive through either ticketing, either through email notification or maybe through directly dashboard of the tool. Channel, which one you have to select now? Email. Just now I said email. Caller means our name here. Whoever is raising the ticket, those person's name you have to select here. Understood? Obviously, who will raise the ticket? Who will raise the ticket? Yourself. You have to select your name here. So example, I will select Ramon. Example. Status you can see here. New, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, and cancelled. This entire question, guys. This is what I'm saying. New, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, or cancelled. Okay. I'm going back to here now to our main sheet. I'm making this one as a yellow color. Oops. Okay, fine. New, work in progress, on hold, pending, resolved, closed, and cancelled. Okay, now I am creating a ticket now. Obviously, what is the status I have to keep now? New itself. Yeah, new. And here category. What is the category we have to select here? Security, IT security or cyber security, or here network security. Which vacancy we are creating now? Which vacancy we are creating now? Which alert we are creating now? Malware category of the attack under the firewall alert. So there is no security here, but wherever company you are selecting, there you can see network security also, or firewall itself directly, or IT security. Understood? So it's a demo tool only. So that is the reason we can't see this one. So now I am select network example. And what is the attack we have to discuss, I said, which is subcategory. What is the attack I said? Subcategory
Malware.
also everything, yeah, malware category. Under malware, ransomware, example VPN. So far it is clear? So what the attack we are discussing in the firewall side, we got one of the alert. That alert is malware category of the attack. It's a main category. And subcategory is a ransomware attack. So here, category is malware and subcategory is ransomware. That option is not available. It's a demo tool. So that is the reason I selected network and VPN. So far, any doubt here? So far, any doubt?
No, sir.
Caller, category, subcategory, channel we selected, and state is a new. That's it. And impact now. Impact is what is the severity of the incident, whether it's a critical or high or medium or low. So right now it is not showing critical, but in your wherever company you are selecting, critical also we can see. So select example high, urgency also very high, P1, priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, priority 4. P1 is always high, P2, P3, P4. Critical no? Priority is critical. Automatically selected high and high. Critical has come. So example high and medium if I will select. It is selected critical only. High and low, it's a high only. So then we can select low and low. It's a moderate. It's a basically risk matrix. This one I'll explain part of GRC. Then you'll understand. So based on the likelihood and based on the impact, risk score. So now high is selected. It's a critical. So these are all the fields you will not see. All these fields you will not see. Okay. Example service. I will select IT services. Offering is not required. Okay. So next one is service offering not required. Configuration item is also not required. And assignment group. What is the group name we have to give here? What is the group name we have to give here? Whatever,
Firewall.
okay, so name they given, your team name basically. Network security, or maybe firewall security, or IT security. Assign to. Whom we have to assign this ticket now?
Ourselves.
Ourselves, that's
Ourself.
right. Ourselves we have to assign. So here we have to select Ramon Amaral. So this person, let me try my name whether it is existing. Otherwise it will go to his name. Okay, no problem. Ramon. Yeah, anyway, assign to, you can select your name itself here. Let's see, is there any error will come. Otherwise I will go and type search button here. Here basically what are the names you will see. Whoever is a part of your company, your part of firewall team, all the names you will see here. So I'm typing here. Oh, it is asking everything now. It's not required. But anyway, your name it will appear here. Simple. Your name it will appear here. Select your name. That's it. Short description. Ransomware attack. So description of the attack. Whatever description is coming, just you can copy paste here. One of the end user system got compromised by ransomware attack. Okay. So that is our description. That's it. Now I'm copying this ticket number as well. Save here, submit here now. Clear? Submit. Okay. You can see now here, ticket number first one itself. Ransomware attack. Okay, so critical network IT securities. Okay, admin. Now I have to click on this one. And here now, what is status we have to change now? I am working on this ticket now. What is name? What is the status we have to change now?
Work in progress.
Yes, that's correct. In progress, we have to select our work in progress. Okay, now you can complete the attack now, investigation example. So that investigation attack has come to one of the victim IP. All the details are not there here. That is the reason I'm not able to show everything. Victim IP is 10.10.10.1. This system is got compromised. And the attacker IP address is 1.1.1.1. And username of the end user, end user name. Example, Suresh or Mahesh, whoever it may be. And OS is Windows 7 or Windows 10. I can put Windows 10 laptop. And next one is MAC address 00. Just example, everything I'm giving like a demo, guys. Don't get confusion. 0 ABCDEF.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు టికెట్ ఇన్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ లో ఉంటే డీటెయిల్స్ ఇలా మనం కామెంట్స్ లాగా యాడ్ చేయాలా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో?
Yes, yes. Description, otherwise directly notes. So once you are doing investigation, either you can put notes also. That is also fine. Whatever work you are doing, everything you can make as a notes. That's better. Okay, so summary we can write here. Yeah, that's a good question. Thanks for asking. Yeah, you can put as a notes here. Okay, so now everything now I am gathering information. All this information now you can gather from the alert directly. Where you have to take the alert from? Firewall. Now you have to take all this information from the firewall itself. One alert will be there, I can show it, but unfortunately there is no alert here. Let me check. No, there is no alerts here. Let me see once again tomorrow. If any alerts will come, then I can explain once again tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, you got it right. So no, everything you have to gather the information from the alert itself, and you can make it a copy paste everything here. All these notes you have to make a copy paste. Now, what is the conclusion now? One of the ransomware attack has come, and the end user IP address is this one. Attacker IP address from this one it has come, and end user name is Suresh, and the end user is using Windows 10 laptop, and MAC address of the end user is this one. Attacker example tactics, TTPs, tactics and techniques and procedure. Which framework is this one? Techniques, procedures.
MITRE framework.
MITRE framework, that's right. So example, you can connect it as a persistence. Okay. Now you gather everything. Now you have to do investigation. This is the attacker IP address now. Take this attacker IP address now. You can go to any one of the, okay, so reputation tools. Example, virustotal.com. Now I'm showing directly investigation also. I have shown already how to create a ticket. Now you can see why this is virustotal.com. It's one of the very, very popular open source tool. It's not a commercial. It's one of the website basically. You can see file here. If you want to check the any file has infected by malware, you have to use file here. If it's a URL here. Search other than file and URL. You can see URL, IP address, domain, and file hash. So which information I gathered now? Attacker IP address I took it.
IP address.
Yeah. Now paste IP address here and give enter button here. And what is the, okay, so reputation is showing as now. What is showing now? Total overall 1/89. Out of 89 vendors, one vendor is confirming that it is a malware. Okay, it's a illegitimate IP address. Okay, now go to one more tool. Example, IP abuse database. This one more tool. But very popular tool is virustotal.com. It's an easy way of understanding. Check here now. 111 dot is not found in the database itself. Was found in our database, okay. This one ISP is 1.1.1.1 is belongs to APNIC and Cloudflare DNS Resolve project, content delivery network. So it is a Cloudflare. It's one of the company, United States of America. And here San Jose, California. This IP address is belongs to California location. And what is the ISP meaning here? Internet Service Provider Router. Who is the router? AppNic and Cloudflare DNS. In our India, we can see Vodafone, Airtel, or BSNL. Those things we can see part of our India. Okay, so now we can see this IP address has been reported a total of 61 times from 31 distinct sources. 1.1 first reported October 4th, 2023, and the most recent report is 1 day ago. Under the IP address from within the whitelist net blocks are typically owned by trusted entities such as Google or Microsoft. They are saying it's a trusted one. You have to read all these. Important note also. 1.1.1 is an IP address from which our whitelist net blocks are typically owned by trusted entities. They are trusted. It is not untrusted entities. Such as Google or Microsoft may use them for search engines spiders. Okay, so this means it's in basically it is they are saying what a conclusion they are saying that it's a legitimate, not illegitimate. And also you can see here confidence of abuse is 0%, not 100%. So it's not a abuse, it's not a malicious attacker IP address. It's not attacker IP address. Otherwise, you can go to one more tool. Who's the domain? So who is also one of the website. You can see here now. Who is one more website? Total how many websites I am going now? One is virustotal.com. One is abuse IP database. One is who is. I'm checking here now. So yeah, same thing here also they are giving same thing. Appnik, NetType, Asia Pacific Network Center. Okay. So this also they did not say it is okay malicious one. In the similar way, IBM exports. IBM exports, I'm not sure whether it will come or not. Let's see. No, it is asking username password. Otherwise, I can go to Cisco Talos. So these are all websites continuously will work on day-to-day basis. Now I took only one IP address. Now how many websites I'm going? There are so many websites. These websites like open source, we can use regularly for investigation purpose. Everyone is getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving IP address here now. Check it here. Cisco Talos also one of the famous website. It's from Cisco. IBM also famous, but problem here is it is asking the IBM ID. Yeah, same thing. Every vendor is saying that it is from United States, California, San Jose. Okay, it's a good. You can see sender IP reputation is good. Okay, directly it is showing. Now, what the conclusion, guys? Now you can tell me. What is oral conclusion now?
It is not malicious.
It is not a malicious one. That's right. So Cisco Talos is saying it's a good, reputation is good. Even abuse IP database also saying it is a good. And only virus total, only one vendor is saying it's a phishing, but not all other vendors. So I got confusion. So with one vendor, I can't go and decide whether this particular IP is a malicious one. Okay. So example, now take this particular thing as a screenshot. So I'm going now, snipping tool. So take these websites, all these are screenshots. Everything, even verdict also. And save this one. So save as a. So you can create what you can do. You can create one of the folder for your own, wherever laptop they are giving. Example, maybe I can create one of the folder name is called as firewall incidents, incident tracker. Okay, I created this one. Under this one, so what is this? Okay, what is the incident number now? So I will go to incident number. So I will take the incident number and I'll create now one more folder and hyphen malware hyphen ransomware. Easy way of understanding purpose. Clear now? In this one, now I'll attach the evidences now. What is the attached name here? VirusTotal.com report. Reputation report. System work only I'm doing, guys. I'm not doing anything else. Hope everyone is able to understand what I'm doing. So in the similar way, take this one also from Cisco Talos side. So now new. This one also I'm saving. So where I created my firewall folder, desktop side, and what is I given? Firewall incidents. And incident name, this is the number. So what is the report is from? Which website is the report? Cisco Talos reputation report. Save. In such a way, you have to take all the evidence. These are all now evidences. Whatever I'm gathering, all these called evidences now. So without evidences, Supreme Court or High Court or Family Court or Criminal Court will not accept the case. In the similar way, whatever investigation we are doing, same thing it will not accepted by our So I mean, verdict is a mandatory. Evidence is a mandatory. So now I took all this. Now I have to make a So this is all these the related work notes. I have been gathered triage information for the subjected incident. So you can copy this information where we have to gather by anyone. I have been gathered triage information for the subjected incident. So where this information I gathered? From where we have to gather? From the firewall, that's right. If it is EDR, EDR. If it is SOC tool, SIM tool. It's a proxy tool. So then you can update. So post. Okay, it's posted now. Okay, now in the similar way, I went and verified couple of open source tools. I went and verified reputation of the IP address. Using couple of open source tools like vt.com. vt. Means what? VirusTotal.com. Next one is ciscotalos.com. Who is next one? IP abuse database. All the vendors concluded that IP reputation is legitimate, otherwise or non-malicious. So incident is what type of incident is now? False positive. But again here one of the system is got compromised by ransomware attack. Okay, that we can discuss later. But you are getting right how to write a notes and everything. So this is the way you have to always update your notes. Paste here. It's not completed yet now. This one regularly how to update comments. Additionally, you can make an overall summary of the report. So summary of the report. So summary of the report is everything. So attack name or category. Next one, subcategory. Next one, trias. Under trias, IOC, IOA. Next one, investigation analysis. Finally, evidences or sometimes recommendations also. Sometimes recommendation you are escalate to L2 team, but it is not in your hand, recommendations also. This is the way how to make a summary of the report and you have to post it. Okay. Now, whatever evidences you gather, now here you can see attach evidence here, some symbol. Can you see symbol this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, click on attachments here. Choose a file. Where I stored my files now? Desktop. Under desktop, firewall incident tracker. And these two incidents, reputations. So simultaneously, I'm selecting both and it is uploading now. Yeah, I attached to the file, two files. You can see here Cisco Talos reputation report and virustotal.com reputation report. Can you see here? Already it attached. And
Yes, sir.
finally, you can make a summary of the overall report and finally you can close it. So overall summary is false positive incident. Please find the attached evidences. Okay, now post it, this one. Now what is status we have to change now? What is status we have to change now?
Closed.
Resolved. Closed, what is the difference between resolved and closed? Yeah, resolved is basically we can complete ourselves. It depends on company to company. So resolved, I can do it now. Okay, so resolved, it's a update. Completed now. So resolution code, they are asking resolution code. Resolved by problem or request. Resolved by name of the person. Resolution notes. Resolution notes are same as it is. It is a false positive incident. Okay. Now I am updating. That's all, guys. This is what you have to do total end to end. Clear now? So that's why we can use this ServiceNow ticketing tool. Investigation, I will explain once again. See, proper ticket is there, but this is the way how to you have to make sure that this is common for every vacancy, that may be SOC vacancy using SIM tool, or vulnerability management patch updates, or EDR vacancies, or DLP vacancies, or firewall vacancies. This process is common for every vacancy. Okay, clear? Now,
Sir, is there any chance to close the ticket? We can go to the
yeah,
మనం
closed.
చూడొచ్చా?
Yeah.
రిజాల్వ్ అయినా లేదా క్లోజ్ అయిన టికెట్ ని మనం చూడొచ్చా?
Yes, you can go to search
for
button.
notes.
Yeah, you can go to search button here now and enter. You can see here.
Okay.
You can see everything. Whatever I have done, I attached everything. We can see it here. Yeah, this manager will see basically. Okay. So this is what you have to. These are all evidences are very, very important. And please remember regularly how to update these notes for each and every incident. Okay. So you can create your own instance and you can practice it, guys. Please practice it. You can make one of the dummy. Just I made a dummy only. It's not real incident, right? I made a dummy and I created one of the incident and I closed myself. Okay. So difference between resolved and closed. So I completed my investigation now. My manager, my SOC manager, my network security manager, firewall manager now, whoever I am reporting. So that guy will go and will verify whether Ramakrishna has completed investigation correctly or not, whether he has done any mistakes or not. Couple of, okay, so analyst, security analyst people will not complete investigation and they will close the incident or they will make a resolve the incident without proper evidence. So now our manager will track everything, whether they are doing correctly or not. So now he will verify and he will change the result to closed. It depends basically. I'm not saying it's a, based on my experience, I'm saying, but it depends on which organizations you are selecting. Maybe wherever you are going, that particular organization, we don't have maybe closed. Only resolved will be there, maybe closed will be there. Whatever it will be there, you can select that one. Okay. So this is overall investigation. Now, can we go and can we create one more ticket? This time we can create for the vulnerability management report. Okay. So now where I have to go? You can give the instructions now. Where I have to go now? First step.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in some scenarios, we will be escalating it to another
That's
team.
right.
Sir.
Yeah, you are right. And you are in confusion and you don't know what is the state. Same thing here. You don't know what is the investigation overall process. And so maybe same system, it's got compromised. Now, in that scenario, what you have to do, you no need to close the ticket. You can attach all the everything here, and you can go back to ticket now. Where is the ticket? Yeah. And you can make it here notes, recommendations. That's what I said, recommendations. And whatever recommendations you are providing, all those investigation tools, right? Recommendation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Example 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went and verified. Example, second scenario else I'm discussing here itself. Don't get confusion. I went and verified the reputation of the IP address using a couple of open source tools like virustotal.com, ciscotalos.com, who is IP Abyss database. All the vendors are concluded that IP reputation is malicious. Okay. Now, what is the recommendation you will give? Please block IP address in the firewall. Please scan the system. Please scan the impacted system. Please change the passwords. Example. Based, it will vary from scenario to scenario. Example, post it. Now, whether you have to close this ticket now, whether we have to close this ticket now, this scenario.
No, no.
No, sir.
We have to
No,
assign
sir.
to, we have to assign to
Somebody else.
Firewall.
firewall L2 team. Now we example your L1 team. Now we assign to firewall L2 team. Now here, firewall L2 you can select here. And the L2 team, they will pick the respective ticket and they will work on based on the whatever recommendations you are giving. Don't think like they will not validate all this information, whatever you provided. Each and every information, whatever you provided, they have to revalidate and they have to re-verify everything, whether you provided correct or not. That's why L2 role is 4+ years of experience. Clear now? Sai, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah. So this is what you have to. Once again, L2 also doesn't have any scope and it is not in their hands. Now they will escalate to L3. And L3 also doesn't have the access to the respective end user system. They will inform to the client directly. This process called as. Yeah, please.
Sir, L2, L3 and వాళ్ళకి separate ఒక particular email group ఉంటుంది కదా.
That's correct. We have to send an email also. After assign to this one, we have to send an email also to the respective team stating that this one assigned to the respective L2 team. Yeah.
సరే, ఈ assign to place లో ఏదన్నా DL group ఉంటుందా లేదా పర్సన్
DL group,
ID
DL
ఉంటుంది?
group, DL group, overall DL group.
Okay.
So example, firewall L2@tcs.com. In such a way it will be there. Distributed list or group list, yes. Clear? Yeah, this is what, how to create a ticket in the ticketing tool. Just only I said how to create a ticket, that's it. Forget about investigation. So once practical any incident is available, then I can show how to do the investigation as well. But you got it right, some idea how to create a ticket in the ticketing tool. You got some idea, right? How to create a ticket in the ticketing tool.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, what is the assignment I'm giving to you? As I said, please go to the Google and okay, then 1 second. Yeah, just you can go to here, and in the Google, just you can give ServiceNow developers tool. Same thing, whatever I given, ServiceNow developers tool. In the search query, don't click on the first one. You can read this one. Website is proper website or not. And you can see ServiceNow developers. Click on this one. This is for practicing purpose, because you will get confidence, right? You can practice if this one before going to the interview, or even if you are onboarding also, you have already experience is there, you will get a lot of confidence. So then click on the ServiceNow ID, because your first time you're doing registration part, and you can fill up the entire information and your provide password and confirm password, and one of the activation link will come, and you can do the activation. And after that, you can click on the whatever instance if you want to choose, whether you want to choose as a Vancouver or Taha or San Diego or Tokyo. So these are the 4 places. Any one instance you can select and start building. It will take approximate 5 to 10 minutes. Then that instance will complete. Then that particular, finally, you will land it up on this particular page. This page. If you are facing any issues, please just post on me in WhatsApp group. Then I will guide you how to do that. Clear? And after creating this ticket, just go to all and create. Just you can create and click on create new incident. Create new incident. It will open new window once again, and you have to fill everything. So this is the way for every incident or every alert, we have to create ticket in the ticketing tool. Now, what is your roles and responsibilities? So this is Rajesh. I have 3+ years of experience into cybersecurity SOC operations. Currently, I'm working in X company as a L1 cybersecurity analyst. So normally, incidents or alerts will come through either dashboard of the SIM tool or maybe through email notification. Once those alerts will come, based on the severity wise, I'll pick the tickets or incidents. After that, I will go and I'll create a ticket in the ticketing tool. Clear now? This is what you have to say. So after creating a ticketing tool, then I can go and I can verify what type of incident I received, whether it is a malware category or phishing email category, spoofing category, flooding category, or OSP top 10 category. And later I will do the tracing of the incident. So this is what your roles and responsibilities also. So this is what, okay, only just basic what we have to do, tracing part. Investigation is not completed yet. Investigation, once any alert will come, then I will show practically as well. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay,
No,
I'm
sir.
giving some I'm giving some assignment to you now. You can create 4 tickets for everyone. Anurag, Latifa, Bindu, next one Linga, next one everyone. Okay. Who else is there? Nagajyoti, Navin Reddy, everyone. Sai Tejasvi. Yeah. You can create 4 tickets. 4 tickets. One is for vulnerability management. The second one is for EDR. Third one is for firewall. Fourth one is for SOC. Will you do that? Take any example, your wish. On the vulnerability management side, if you want, you can refer my notes also. So what is my notes here? That means you are covering everything. Go to here, Excel sheet and vulnerability management. Go to vulnerability management. And here, go to this one, and according to that one, you can create ticket. Your roles and responsibility. Then you can clear practically as well. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా?
Yes, sir. అర్థమవుతుంది.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. What is the assignment I'm giving to you? You have to create 4 tickets in the ServiceNow ticketing tool. One is for EDR vacancy, malware category of the attacks. Second ticket is for vulnerability management, patch updates. You have to write that is for Windows Server patches or Linux server related patches. Third one is for the firewall related. Fourth one is for cybersecurity SOC related. These 4 tickets you can create. In the tomorrow class, I can ask your name, then you can share your screen and you can show me. Is that be okay? Everyone has a laptop or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then you can create for these 4 tickets and you can bring it tomorrow. And
Okay,
tomorrow,
sir.
once again, I will take evening only class, I think so. Let me try. Because morning I have a couple of meetings are scheduled. Most probably I will take evening itself. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow.
సార్ ఆఫీస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వచ్చి రమ్మన్నారు ప్రాక్టికల్ చెప్తా ఉన్నారు ఎప్పటి
Um,
నుంచి రమ్మంటారు
so, ఎప్పటి నుంచి maybe first or second. January 1st or 2nd.
ఓకే ఓకే
Everyone will come, by the way. I want to ask this question also. Latifa, Naveen Reddy.
I will come, sir. I am ready to come.
Who else?
Yes, sir, will come.
Yeah. So just plan for January 1st week itself. So that means another maybe 3 to 4
సరే
days are there.
మార్నింగ్ అవర్స్
Yeah, morning only.
ఓకే ఓకే ఐ విల్ కమ్
Okay. Yeah, please make everyone in the group. You can confirm one date. According to that one, I can plan my side also. Because tools I have to contact with couple of people as well. Okay, so that's why. So you can confirm within the group either January 2nd or 3rd, which date you want to come. And according to that one, I can plan my calendar as well. Okay.
ఓకే సార్
Okay, guys, then. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Bye.